In September of 2019, three things happened in that lab. One is they deleted the sequences. It was highly irregular. So researchers don't usually like to do that. Second thing they did was they changed the command and control of the lab from the civilian control to the military control. Highly unusual, and I've been involved in dual-use labs when I was in the military. And the third things they did, which I think is really telling, is they let a contractor redo the ventilation system in that laboratory. So I think clearly there was strong evidence that there was a significant event that happened in that laboratory in September.
Scandalul, pornit în SUA cu un raport al Departamentului de Energie și continuat cu declarația incendiară a directorului FBI privind originea COVID din laboratorul din Wuhan, nu doar că nu se stinge după negările și avertismentele Chinei, dar chiar ia amploare. Într-o audiere incendiară din Congresul SUA privind originea COVID pe 8 martie, doctorul Robert Redfield, virolog și directorul Centrelor pentru Controlul și Prevenirea Bolilor din SUA la vremea declanșării pandemiei, a vorbit nu doar despre evenimentele suspecte de la laboratorul din Wuhan, dar și despre cum a fost exclus din grupările de comunicare dintre oficialități, tocmai pentru că ridicase îngrijorări că acest virus nu arată ca fiind unul natural, subliniind și implicarea doctorului Fauci în finanțarea cercetărilor de la Wuhan, aceasta fiind, în opinia sa, și explicația de ce a fost atât de susținută poziția Chinei, mai ales în primul an de pandemie.
In early to mid-January, I did have multiple calls with Fauci, Farrar, and Tedros about how important I thought it was that science get engaged in aggressively pursuing both hypotheses. I also expressed, as a clinical virologist, that I felt it was not scientifically plausible that this virus went from a bat to humans and became one of the most infectious viruses that we have in humans. All viruses are not the same. So when you look at coronaviruses, for SARS and MERS, for example, when they entered the human species, which they did via an intermediate, they never learned how to go human to human. Even to this day, they don't know how to go human to human. So you can't equate Ebola with a coronavirus.
Now, why do you think you were excluded from those calls?
Because it was told to me that they wanted a single narrative, and that I obviously had a different point of view.
Is it likely that American tax dollars funded the gain of function research that created this virus?
I think it did, not only from NIH, but from the State Department, USAID, and from DOD.
Republicanii sunt deciși să nu lase acest subiect să se stingă, doar că prin ieșirea directorului FBI vedem o susținere mai largă pentru ca informații